Here's to my adventure alone to Berlin, but not really adventure alone. Yeah, to Berlin, but not in Berlin. I'm going to meet a friend. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah. So, share.com.ph. Okay, time check and an update. So, ang bus ko 1:30 pa darating ng umaga, 1:30 a.m. and it's still 12 a.m. But look how busy it is in the train station kasi kakatapos lang ng ano ni Taylor Swift ng concert niya. So at least hindi naman siya nakakatakot kasi maraming tao dito. But this is my situation. Solo traveler again. Katugnaon. Ang lamig-lamig, guys. So now update, I'm going to the bus kasi 15 minutes to go na lang and then lalarga na ako to Berlin. Ay, naulan-ulan pa. Stay finally in Berlin. My God. First reaction, ang init sa Berlin. Okay. Ang layo sa Netherlands kasi sobrang lamig sa Netherlands. Kaya ganyan yung itsura ko. So I'm waiting for Kuya Aris. Yes. Because I came here. Ay, bakit ito nag-i-English, okay? Napunta ako dito sa Berlin just to meet him and Kuya Jem as I expected na tatlo kami today. So, ang funny kasi hindi pa sure yung flight niya, ganon. So, parang super late din ako nag-book ng bus papunta here. But may plan talaga nun, magte-train ako. Diyos ko, Lord, dahil nga one week na lang before ako dapat punta dito, tapos doon ako magbubook sana. Ang mahal na nag-train, like, oh my God, like, triple ata yung mahal niya or sobra pa ng triple. Kaya, nag-risk ba ang tawag yun? Tama, parang sumugal ng Flixbus na. So, kailangan akong alas 2 ng umaga. No, 1:30 di ba dapat yung yung alis ng bus kanina na umaga. Kaso, na-delay na mga almost an hour. Oh my God. So, parang nakakainis siya. And, well, let's see what's gonna happen today. Welcome! Ako pala yung welcome dito, no?
Berlin.
Wow!
How are you doing?
Okay. Walang tulog. Eh, ano ba yan? Anuhan na naman. Walang tulog lang. Ganon. Kumusta?
Hello there! Welcome to Berlin! Tara!
Tara!
Itutur kita sa Berlin.
Enjoy! Kala mo talaga eh.
Okay, so we're here at Berlin Central Bus Station. So I fetched Angel here because it's her first time to come in Berlin.
Oh, yes.
She's been in Europe for quite some time now, but it's her first time to come in Berlin. So
hey, there's a lot of countries and cities in Europe, huh?
Yeah, that's why I'm telling them that it's your first time to be in Berlin. So I'm gonna give you a tour.
Sure.
So for now, we're going to our hotel just to drop this thing off. We're not going to tour around Berlin with this thing.
What is that thing?
Carrying this baggage of hers. So for now, we're going to because this is the Berlin Central Bus Station, and we're going to Berlin Central Station or Berlin Bahnhof.
Oh, HBF like, lang ah. Okay. So far, kumusta ang Europe?
Well, it's pretty cold, you know. When I check the weather, or the season rather.
Yeah.
They say it's summer.
Yes, it's
so
summer.
I did not bring any jackets at all because I believe it would be, you know, hot. Hot. When I arrived, I didn't know that summer is still cold, you know?
Indeed! Unless you're like August of September, it will be with some August of September,
like
yeah.
Still freezing
yes.
for me.
Even Even for me, kahit sa akin pa din, ha?
Why are you speaking Tagalog? We're in Europe. Tagalog is not allowed, you know?
Oh my God, suntukin ko nga. My God, kuya, tama na ako sa kaka-English dito.
Okay,
Ano na?
so we're going down here again.
Okay.
I didn't want to show that in the video. You know, I want to show the beauty of Germany,
not
the beauty of Berlin, but we're going down here. It's like, I don't know.
I don't know. Are you proud of this?
But still, I'm going to give you a tour around Berlin.
Okay, I'm excited. Oh, this is creepy. Oh, sorry. This is creepy. And it's I saw you. You just kita dun sa ilong. Bango. Bango ng Europe. Uy, creepy siya. Parang parking area pero walang nagpa-park. Ano?
How do I say this? We have this in the Philippines as well.
Huh?
Going underground just across the road.
Ano sa Makati?
Yeah.
Oh. Ay, cute yung mga tren nila dito na local. Itong isa to, English eh. Tuntukin na eh.
So,
So?
we're going back to Berlin Hochbahnhof.
Again. Again.
HBF.
Di, yung totoo.
Hochbahnhof.
Oh. Ang cute. Sure, master na talaga niya, oh.
We'll transfer there. And then we're going to Berlin Hochbahnhof.
HBF lang yun talaga ang akin.
Pretty much more expensive than here in Berlin, and the fares and the food here in Germany in general is much cheaper than in UK. So I'm not sure about Netherlands. Yeah.
Guys, kinakarir niya talaga pag-English niya. Pero narinig ko, I've heard, in the economy of Germany these days.
I've heard.
The economy in Germany nowadays is going down. Yeah, it's down. Yeah, that's why everything is cheaper. Yeah.
Central Station. Paparating na sa Berlin Central Station.
Opa!
Welcome to Berlin Central Station.
May translation pa mga Zay. Ayan. Dito na tayo. O, unahin mo na. Kasi ikaw yung tour guide. Proud na proud ka pa naman sa stasyon na to.
Ein gefahrener Zug auf Gleis 15 S5 nach Mahlsdorf über Friedrichstraße, Ostkreuz.
Okay, let's take the train.
Mag-train naman. Akala ko lakad-lakad lang as. Okay. I agree! Para siyang mall. My gosh, ang laki niya. Pak! May another level pa. Kanina doon kami galing. Tapos punta pa doon. Kuya Ari, say hi!
Naglakaw rami.
Ay. Kuya Jen, say hi! Stop over muna kami. Hello! Yung tour guide namin na dapat 13 minutes lang. Ano nangyari?
Kasi walang lagay ng cellphone yung ano eh. Oo. Hindi kasi stop talaga tayo, picture tayo dito sa ano.
Okay, sige. Oh, sige, okay.
Ito yung Bold Museum.
Okay. Yan.
Bold Museum. Hindi ko alam, Bold. Pagbasa ko dyan.
Next! Ayan, nakarating na din kami.
Saan?
Yung nakaputi.
Hinahanap si Catherine. Ha?
Yung nakaputi. Para daw si Catherine, guys. Yung nakaputi doon, no?
Yung nakakasap na yun ng ano.
Oo.
Hindi naman, layo.
So, lesson learned, dapat after ng aming adventure ng almost an hour, right?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, okay. Wala pa lang kaming mapala kasi dun sa TV tower dito sa Berlin, hindi naman siya close, full. So you need to book one day before kakakain.
Samgyup.
Saan? Samgyup.
Nagugutom na kami, Ali.
Ako din eh, gutom na ako eh. Dito tayo, hanap na tayo. Ayun o, restaurant to, Vapiano, ano yan? Gusto namin kumain dun. Nakaupo din. Finally. Hindi yung gusto namin pero okay na. Board yarn. Si Kuya Jem, tingnan mo ang ginagawa niya.
High school.
Picture na yun. Dala video. May nawala na po. Kuya Aris? Kumusta na? May nawala na po sa Berlin.
May mapa pero...
May mapa.
May nahanap pero may mapa.
Ikot-ikot lang. Ay. Doon pala, hindi mo sinakain. Hindi.
Umikot na tayo.
Umikot.
Meine Rettung wird der Sprech gesagt. Ziehe gerne durch und das mit letzter Hände. Ausgekleidet wie ein Wort am besserer Mann. In meinem Nacken war der
Grabe, ang mahal ng tubig dito. Hindi naman Nakita ko ng 500 para sa tubig na doon. Samantalang sa Pilipinas, yung 1 liter, 25 pesos lang. Dito, 500 pesos. Grabe.
Alam mo na buhay dito.
Oo. 500 pesos. Para sa isang boteng tubig na hindi pa 1 liter.
Yan, ano ka pa lang, 1 week ka pa lang sa Europa. Itong months na sa Europa. Ano na-experience mo, kuya?
Wala naman.
Wala na? Sanay na?
Overcome na.
Overcome na?
na umiinom. Sa gripo na umiinom dahil 500 yung tubig na to.
Hey, hey! So our activity is?
We're going to try the slide here in the Mall of Berlin. Actually, Jem and I saw this yesterday, and unfortunately, it's past 6 p.m. and the slide is open only until 6 p.m. during the Monday to Saturday, and 7 p.m. during Sunday. And since the time is 5:38,
we still have time.
So we have a few minutes left to try this slide. So this slide is from the 3rd floor and goes down up to the ground floor.
Okay. Yeah. Where is Kuya? Hey. Look at that. Jeez, kinakabahan man ako eh.
Almost hit him.
Really?
Okay.
Woo! Kaya binakabahan. Ikaw na lang una. Ikaw na. It's a go. Kuya, it's a go. Yeah! Good luck! Look at here first!
Hello!
Bye! Go!
Ingin ni Angel. Pala may chinelas eh, sapatos.
Kaya nga tinanggal. Guys, we will want to have Round 2. Ang mga bata po. Ang mga
That's
bata.
quite fun, you know?
Yeah!
The sliding was... I mean, the inclination was very steep, you know?
Pa-English pa siya.
Not very steep, it's very steep.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
It's very steep. I think the angle of inclination is around 60 degrees.
Okay, dito na. Nosebleed na.
And because the slide is, you know, a bit circular. No, it's not a bit circular, it's circular.
Spiral.
Okay, spiral.
Yeah, that's the word.
So,
Spiral.
there's the circumferential force or speed that makes us faster.
Woohoo! Round 2. Okay, ready? Hindi ka nagising sa pangalawa mo?
Pangatlo ulit.
Kamusta yung second round? Yung mga bata nag-enjoy. To close na eh, oo. Next.
Shopping sa Germany.
Next. Finally, after how many hours?
48 hours. At ilang kilometers of
Shopping is done.
Germany para bumili ng sapatos.
Fuck! Kanina gusto mag-Uniqlo, ngayon. After nag-shopping ni Kuya Ares, nag-dinner kami, and then we continue our adventure. Talagang sinulit namin yung natitirang oras together namin sa Berlin. May naiyak na! Kapoy na si Ares! Behind the photoshoot! Yung nakaposing na pero wala pa yung nagpicture.
Okay, please, 1, 2.
And the model is... Wow! Okay, patingin nga ng final result, patingin.
Kasama lang do.
Ha?
Oh! Happy, happy, happy?
Hati-hati. Hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. May ilaw eh. At wala ilaw, Aris. Ano yung ilaw?
So, habang nag-picture-picture sila dyan, I will explain bakit putol-putol itong vlog ko. Kasi, to be honest, akala ko hindi ko to may edit. So, parang nagdadalang isip ako na mag-video ba ulit or hindi, mag-video ulit, hindi. Baka kasi hindi ko ma-edit. Pero na-edit ko. So, I think it's a good thing, right? So, sorry kung putol-putol. Oh my God!
Bye-bye.
Sure, ano mo, summarize mo nangyari.
No, I don't have enough words in my mouth right now.
In short, muntik akong maiwan ng Flixbus ko. Run is real. Thank you so much for today.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Umuhi ka na. Bye-bye. Thank you. Sakay na ako. Bye-bye.